Are you looking for street light pole fabrication manufacturer? Well, TeWei Machine Tool Company, the first factory in China producing automatic street light pole welding machine. TeWei should be your best choice.
One. Simple decoiling and leveling production line. These equipment are used to decoil the sheets, level the sheets and cut into the exact size. The system includes 6 parts. 1. Decoiler. 2. Side leading device. 3. Leveling machine. 4. Shear. 5. Materials collecting table. 6. Electrical system. This equipment can be especially used to decoil the sheets of light pole and flag pole. 2. Steel sheet bevel cutting production line. This equipment is used to longitudinally cut the rectangle sheets. Operate. The length of sheets can be adjusted. It is with higher productivity. The hydraulic cylinder will press the sheet onto the walking device, and under the rotating cutting of the round blades, the sheet will be running together with the walking device and be cut. When press the sheet, put the sheet in bevel as the exact side and cut into the taper plates. It is especially used to cut and machining the sheet of light pole and flag pole. 3. Tandem press brake. This equipment is combined by 2 sets of single press brake and achieve the synchronous working via tandem. It is also equipped with different random light pole molds and manufacture the light pole, sign pole, flag pole, and high mast pole. When manufacture conical light pole, fix the conical molds while bending many hits. Finally, bend one hit in the center of the sheet. One piece of light pole has been forming. Then pull the light pole out by the hauling engine. 4. Automatic seam weld production line. This equipment is combined by hoist head, leading bed and feeding table, walking cart, grip holder, and feebly pull big head. When the cart is walking, small cart will move and push the pole. Small head of pole will move under even pace with a taper ratio to big head. The big head of pole will be held by pushing cart under the leading wheel of hoist head, and then automatic weld and seam. When seam, welder starts to arc welding. 5. Mechanical seam machine. This equipment is dedicated equipment to finish seaming sign pole and high mast pole. The equipment worm and gear drive seam mold doing action. It can engage operating and also can be single operating under the manual spot welding and forming. After spot welding and forming, transfer to the semi-automatic weld production line and weld. At the same time, it can adjust the sign ply mast pole. 6. Semi-automatic weld production line. This equipment uses submerged arc welding without flash and with quick speed. It is suited for various kinds of pole sections. Manual, adjustable, easy and quick. The welding joint is continuous and even. High penetration, 41 time. The efficiency is high. The speed is 1 to 3 meters per minute. It's 3 times of gas-shielded arc welding. It is the central equipment of making sign pole and high mast pole. 7. Tube straighten machine. This equipment with compact and easy structure, convenient and reliable. Put the pole onto the press mold of the machine by manual, and then the worker hold the hand button box to spot press it. The worker grasps the straightness of the pole by eyes. It is with high efficiency. This equipment used in any types of light pole, sign pole, flag pole, and high mast pole. It is also used to adjust the rounded pole head. 8. Tube bending machine. As the request of road design, some of the light pole need to be bending. This is the self-bending light pole. The tube bending machine from TeWei is combined by main plate and bending molds. It includes 2 sets of molds. Under the leading motor, the straight mold bend the pole which press onto the round mold. easy to operate, without any heating or packing materials. It can bend the upper of conical pole straight. Economical and save cost. It is the indispensable equipment of pole manufacturers. 9. Automatic polish machine. Some of the countries have the high request of light pole, sign pole, flag pole, and high mast pole. It needs to be painting. Before painting, the pole should need polishing. This equipment adopts a self-rotating and raised spin machine moving to achieve automatic feeding. On the raised spin machine, it is polishing abrasive belt. The polishing abrasive belt grain on the surface. You can polish surface of galvanized pole, easy and with quick speed. The efficiency is high, saves staff, power, and consumptive material. It is the first equipment of polishing surface of any kinds of poles. 10. Light pole static spraying production line. The pole sections after processing can be sprayed. The powder room of spraying production line is made by cold roll plates which have been bent and assembled. Easy structure and clean conveniently. It adopted side section and ventilation device. At the same time, it is assembled with dustless lights. Easy for operate. When spraying, hand the pole with the hook. Then the workers stand on both sides of the room. Start spraying during the moving spraying room walking. The oven adopts assembled structure. Outside with corrugated board, the appearance of oven is very strict, firm, nice, and with good heat chilled performance. With a circulating heat wind, the temperature of oven will be even. It achieves the solidified request of powder 180 degrees plus minus 5 degrees. Generally speaking, it needs 30 to 40 minutes for parching. The users can choose heating modes. Commonly, the users can choose coal heating, diesel heating, natural gas heating, and electric heating. Manufacturing techniques of electric power pole, communication tower pole, wind generate electricity pole, and longitudinal welded pipe. This line involved the dedicated equipment used to make electric power pole, communication tower pole, wind generate electricity pole, and longitudinal welded pipe. Electricity pole and longitudinal welded pipe. The details are as below.